Well, look who it is. Oh my god. What's your Instagram, big dog?
DK Cuts.
Yes, sir. What do you have in there?
Nothing real. It's empty bag.
It's an empty bag? Oh my god. Sorry, guys. Hey, show them the goods. Move all this stuff over here to the side. Show them the goods. Oh my god. What is that?
The new Babyliss Lo-Pro.
Oh my goodness. And what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that?
The Lo-Pro trimmers.
Oh my goodness. We got the Lo-Pro trimmers right here.
Releases in February.
Yeah, the releases in February. Oh my goodness. And I have them right here. I feel like an influencer almost. And then this bad boy right here. What? It came with that too?
Came with the essential barber kit.
Hey, this is not extra, is it?
4 barbers.
It has a clipper over comb, 2 crocodile clips from Babyliss, a fade brush, and a cape.
A cape.
What?
A cape.
Oh, this what?
A cape.
That's pretty fucking sick. The cape's right here. I thought it was one of those little bags, you know, where you put your little clippers in. I was like,
No, it's a cape.
that's nice.
Yeah.
Wow, dude. What do you got to say for everyone who wasn't able to cop one or make it to Barbercon?
Go next year.
All right, my dude. So since you were the one who plugged me up with this badass set, sold out in what? 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
30 minutes? Damn, son. And they don't release until February. You get to unbox them. Not even me. You get to unbox them.
You can unbox one.
All right. Hey, yeah, of course I'll unbox the trimmer. Get close to it. Get close to it. Like this close. I'm spotting you, bro.
Like you're kissing me or something?
Yeah, bro. My beard's kissing you.
Damn.
I'm spotting you. Just in case something happens. You want to turn on the light or not? Where's a good light? Okay.
There's a power button right there.
Wow, this sounds so sturdy.
Could be gapped a little bit.
Wow, it comes with a new blade as well.
New blade.
New fade blade, which I'm sure is going to be a lot better than the current one.
Looks like a graphite.
Yeah, it has like a grooves on it. Graphite fade blade.
Got a thumb placement right there. Overall,
How's the weight?
The weight feels like the cordless seniors.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yes, but maybe definitely heavier than the magic clips.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Can I feel? Oh, yeah. They don't.
Right?
They look. They're all metal, right?
Yeah.
Or just well, at least the top part is, or is the bottom metal too? I think it's plastic, right?
I think it's plastic.
Yeah, I think the bottom's plastic and the top's metal. But whoa, not yet. I wanted to feel the difference. Oh yeah, these are way heavier.
Yeah.
This would be like in between a
between.
magic clip and a senior, huh?
Mhm.
Weight wise.
Weight wise.
Yeah, it doesn't feel too heavy. Feels just about right. Oh, but the power.
The power's there though.
Dude, the power seems crazy on this one, huh? But I feel like these feel a little bit more smoother.
It sounds just
Yeah, they sound about the same.
about the same.
At least feel the lightness feels great on them. Okay, it has the same. Is this the same cord as charging code at charging code? Blah, blah. It has the same charging cord as the old ones, right? Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it's the same.
That's cool. They're not like Apple trying to make a different cord for every damn thing they release.
Yeah.
What else comes inside the box?
Inside the box comes with the charger. Let's see, 1.5 and 3 millimeter guards, the essentials, and then the rest of the guards.
I thought they had new guards. Yeah, they gave them with these the cheap plastic guards. I thought they had like different magnetic guards or something like that that it came with.
That's the same.
Oh yeah, these are like the ones that came out with like all the previous ones.
Yeah. And then your oil. Regular stuff.
Damn, they came out with the bigger oil. You know how they usually come out with smaller ones? Comes with the oil, the little clip, the screwdriver, little brush. And that's pretty much it, huh?
Yeah. The
Hey,
essentials.
not bad. Yeah, just in case.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh. Oh damn.
They feel powerful?
Oh, powerful. It feels the same as the red Ferraris, the new ones that just came out, the FX3 trimmers. Yes.
You mean these?
Yes.
You think they feel more stronger? Or like more sturdier, more powerful compared to the FX3? Oh, it comes with a 2.0 blade.
It feels the same power-wise. This one comes with the DLC blade.
Yeah, like I think that's the same DLC 2.0 blade as the other influencer trimmers, huh? Like the red,
Yeah.
the Los cut it.
The feel of it feels better in the hand.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It feels like that one, but a little bit more smaller and more compact.
Because this feels like the slimline, the Anda slimline. Like the feel of it in my hand, but that one's just more comfortable.
It does feel like it'd be more, a little bit stronger, I guess. You know, like for people who like to work out. I feel like these aren't as great, but they still do the job. But I feel like these would be a little bit more powerful.
So you gotta watch out when you're putting that 90 degrees. Your angle of the wrist just has to be a little bit more.
Which one do you think is better? Just based off just looking at it, feeling it.
I'd probably have to get used to this one because the switch is on the side.
As opposed to this one's pretty easy. Just go home.
Yeah.
It's more like a clipper style, huh? To have it on the side.
Because most machines I've been using, the switch is in the top rather than on the side. So this is something I'd have to get used to.
You think it sounds a little bit more like that too because of the metal casing?
Maybe.
Yeah, because I notice on plastics, it's usually a little bit louder.
And it comes 0 gaps already.
Oh, it comes already 0 gap?
Mm-hmm.
Sheesh. Wow. That's exciting.
Jealous.
You're jealous? You're a little about it. Oh my god, I can't wait to use these, man. What else do these bad boys come with?
Same stuff. Charger, oil.
The great part is you're getting like an extra cable for free because they both use the same cord.
And it comes with that tool to 0 gap if you're not used to 0 gapping.
Yeah, it's perfect. Alright, let's see.
Oh, it's about to drop, my guy. You know the song "Who Let the Dogs Out"? It's about fat girls going to the club.
Let them go.